and welcome to Take Watch. I'm Ibrahim Umarwasi. Today, we are exploring the transformative power of artificial intelligence with its endless possibilities and rapid advancements. AI is revolutionizing industries and daily life at an unprecedented pace. Out of all engaging technologies in the 21st century, artificial intelligence will undoubtedly prove to have the most significant impact. By the 2020s, AI had already reached a level of sophistication comparable to human abilities, both in chatbot conversation and other language models. In fact, AI are now making decisions faster than humans, making it an exciting yet thought-provoking topic. Joining me today is Mr. Dynamics, a seasoned instructor and senior developer of the Bosbuntu ecosystem. As the first Afrocentric social media platform developed by Africans for Africans, Bosbuntu is set to make waves. Mark your calendar for 25th of this month when Bosbuntu will be available for download on the Play Store and Application Store. Be one of the first to download the app, and you might just become one of its ambassadors or even a developer. Now, let's dive into the debate surrounding AI with Mr. Dynamics. For instance, the automation of many traditional jobs would lead to increased technological unemployment and growing demand for welfare reforms, such as guaranteed universal income. Additionally, some experts believe that the use of AI-powered surveillance and data collection technologies erodes individual privacy. Another noteworthy concern is the application of AI in medicine and its rapid advancement. Does it pose an existential risk to humanity, or can we ensure that it aligns with human values and goals? These are some of the debates that we'll discuss today. Welcome to the show, Mr. Dynamics.
Thank you, Mr. Ibrahim.
You know, as I said earlier, artificial intelligence is mind-boggling and one of the technology that change our life. It's a game changer in itself. But there are questions, endless questions surrounding artificial intelligence. People are not convinced that it will not affect humanity in a negative way. For example, we know that AI has some stages. And the 10th stage of AI is actually mind-boggling, that they call it godlike AI, whereby AI will just do things, the attributes of what humans see in God. We are not yet there, but we will be there. So, Mr. Dynamics, what do you have to tell our tech enthusiasts about artificial intelligence? I remember the first time we discussed on this platform, you said we need to evolve with it.
Yeah.
But the concern is what noting that artificial intelligence is in fact taking over. What if some people doesn't even know how to evolve with it? Does it cause an existential risk to their survival or to the survival of the human race entirely?
Okay. Talking about the survival of human race, depending on if some people do evolve or not, with AI as we go. Although AI is not yet there. When you showed me that 10 stages of AI and the godlike AI, where AI transcends reality just like God, we are still not there yet. But for now, with the range or within the level at which AI is now, if you don't evolve, it's likely that you'll be left behind. So let's look at it this way. When tractor were first invented, we won't say tractor completely replaced farmers. No. But those that evolved and implemented such technology are now ahead of the game. Understand? So now they're ahead of the game. It doesn't mean those ones are completely useless or now not part of. No. But it's just like they now have an extra edge against others. So that's my take on.
Thank you very much, Mr. Dynamics. A very wise answer. Can AI truly be creative? This is one of the questions that people usually pose. Can AI truly be creative? We know that computer is based on garbage in, garbage out.
Yeah.
So how can AI be creative? And we heard about the coming of quantum computing, that computers can be making decisions for themselves. So how is that possible? Just breaking it down in a layman term, don't complicate it.
Okay. Can AI be truly creative?
Yeah.
Now, it depends on what we say creativity as. Yes, to me, creativity needs more than just skill or the ability to do it. In it, sometimes the emotion, understand, which AI lack for now. Because when we're talking about AI, we are going to always say for now. Yes, sir. So with time, we don't know. But for now, AI isn't truly creative. It's just learning from other data.
So the data and the patterns that it
exactly,
learns
it is
from.
just learning patterns and then making certain decision for itself. So when we see some AI generate images, it's not actually AI being creative. No,
Sure.
it's just from what you said and then billions of parameters it has been trained on, then it can bring out such images, not because it's creative. It's just what it's trained on.
Yeah.
But over time, we don't know. We can't say for sure whether AI is going to be truly creative or not. Thank you.
We hope it will be creative, because that's the idea. AI will just be like human being, and artificial intelligence is all about imitating human being, and human being are actually creative. So the second question is, will AI ever be able to replicate human intuition?
Okay, so AI will ever be able to think like human beings?
Yes.
If we say ever, there's a saying that says never say never. You can't completely say never.
We can't destroy the possibility.
We can't completely say no.
Yes.
We can't say completely say no. But for now, AI lacks the capability to think like a human. So AI can simply, most of the AI we have now are AI that are trained for specific tasks. So it is trained as a generative AI. It does just that. So now let's say we have an AI for customer service. It doesn't have the ability to handle customer pressure, for instance. And this is ability that human being can do. Yes.
But it's kind of intriguing and mind-boggling looking at what AI is capable of doing. I myself, I generate a complete folktale using an AI.
Yeah.
And after I generate the video, one fascinating thing is using the same AI to generate a complete podcast, the same thing we're doing now, with two speakers discussing about the topic and giving more insight on it. And some people find it kind of very, very intriguing. How is that possible? How is it working? And that drives us to the algorithm, the way they arrange the algorithm. As a programmer, I know for someone to mimic human being, it needs some things that it needs to, and that's what I want you to give us a glimpse of it. How is it possible to arrange the algorithm of an artificial intelligence, to make the artificial intelligence to be learning from patterns and making decision for itself using that algorithm that you arranged to it?
Okay, now depending on what aspects you're talking about, when we say AI, first thing that comes in our mind is this big, like godlike structure that can just make decisions. It's actually much more easier than we see it to be. So now let's look at it this way. AI is divided into separate parts. We have machine learning, we have deep learning, we have each of them now has different models all under them. So models are like algorithm, as you said. So now these are different parts of it. So let's say for instance now under the health sector, and they're trying to build a model, call it AI that can predict cancer, whether a patient have cancer. Now, the AI is predicting whether the patient have cancer based on certain parameters. For instance, the size of the
symptoms.
the symptoms, maybe the size of the tumor, things like that. So these are data that will feed it for it to learn from that. So it's using previous patients.
Okay.
So
it's using that's the patterns.
Exactly. So it's comparing them using sometimes something we call neural network.
Yes.
So maybe if you know how the brain work, we know there's things called neurons. So now those neurons are just what helps us so that interconnected to each other. You understand? So that is how it works. Understand? When we talk about AI, we're talking about billions of neural network connected to each other, arranged in layers. So that was diving into the advanced part. So they're connected in layers. So when an input is given, it compares it through those layers to give an output. Understand? So billions of networks arranged in layers. So just that's how easy it is. Let's put it in a simple layman form.
So for the people that want to use AI, like to make a livelihood, what's your advice to that?
So I'm a little bit lost with your question. Those who want to use AI, is it
as a means of livelihood?
Okay. So to use AI as a means of livelihood. So AI,
I told you something earlier. Let me.
Okay.
Maybe you understand the question. I generate a video, a complete video using AI. So some people are having they create a YouTube channel, faceless YouTube channel, creating videos, and they are having a lot of traffics and earning a livelihood on it. Some people are using AI to generate content. Some people are using AI in music. Some people are using AI in different fields. What do you have as an advice for these people, this set of people?
The thing is that everybody, both those working outside the field of AI or those that intend using AI, anybody can make something out of AI. That's right. So this morning I woke up to this particular post on someone's status, and it said, for me, I see AI as a large language model as the missing piece to creating software in Africa that is truly valuable and worth paying for. Understand? So now anybody can use AI, but the problem we have is that fear we have. Is AI going to replace humans or whatever?
Yes.
But to me, I don't see that happening anytime soon. So the advice is, number one, embrace it. Understand? Embrace it. Let's get the fear off. Understand? Let's get the fear off. Let's embrace it. To me, as a developer, when I'm using AI, I just feel like there's another junior developer working with me. So I'm just AI just feels like a junior developer working with me. Nothing more, nothing less. Understand? So anybody can make a livelihood out of AI. We have different things you can do with it. For instance, let's look at it. I know somebody who does drop shipping. I don't know whether you know it. So his entire tool is built with AI. I know dropshippers normally pay developers to build websites, pay some people everything, some for customer service, but no, he doesn't pay. All his tool is AI.
Yeah, like the ChatGPT 4.0, the current, I think it's the current one.
No,
right?
that's not
the current version. It's not the current version.
Yeah, I think we have ChatGPT 1.0 now.
Okay. So that ChatGPT will generate a code for you.
Okay.
Using any language, it can generate pictures. It can generate many things.
Yeah, if you're talking about building a website with ChatGPT, it's kind of far-fetched. It's kind of stupid. Yeah, let me say that. Or else you're a web developer, so you know what you're actually doing.
Yes, you are just.
But if you are not into this, there's some sub-built models in ChatGPT, not ChatGPT itself. There are some sub-built models that are designed for web development. Now, AI, ChatGPT, like I said, different AI tools are designed for different purposes. ChatGPT as a model isn't a tool for building websites, or it is a generative AI. That means the job is to generate text, not actually web pages. But there are other tools that can generate. I think there's something called B2 sites, B2 sites, which generates websites, deploys it for you, and just give you the link.
Yeah.
Boom. So using ChatGPT to build a website and start doing the code thing, no, it doesn't make sense.
Seriously, it doesn't make sense.
Or else you know what you're doing. Okay.
Yeah, all right. And the third question is, can AI be trusted?
Can it be trusted? No, for now.
Yes.
No. I saw in news, whether true or false, the American military paid the company that has ChatGPT, that's OpenAI,
Yes.
to build a AI-powered drone. I was like, damn, we finally gave AI a weapon. I don't think for now AI is to be trusted. If you look at any generative AI like ChatGPT, Cloud AI, Sonnet, all of them, just go to under it, you see what is written there. ChatGPT can make mistake and sure to cross-check.
Sure.
So,
and people that are using ChatGPT, I know sometimes you just feel like I'm more intelligent than this software. If you are creating content, for example, using ChatGPT,
exactly.
When you asked for the data, it will give you the data. But sometimes, just ask a data about your own community or about your culture. You find out that the data is not accurate. You need to cross-check it and put some necessary things, tailor it.
AI is at a stage where it cannot work without supervision.
Sure.
Understand? I know AI can be used in healthcare. Most places it can be used in many fields, right? But okay, for instance, I was watching. It sounded like a comedy, but it was live in a live football match in Brazil. They used an AI to track the ball, the football position. So the AI camera can now follow the football and know where the players are actually are to video it.
Yeah.
And when the ball went up, a referee running through the field has mala. He has no hair on his head. So the reflection of the sunlight makes his head looks like a ball. I'm told the AI mistook this guy for the football and left the ball and start chasing the ref. You get it? So he started chasing the referee. But
Yes.
now you can see that it's not yet good enough to be trusted. But for now, what we can use AI for is do things and yet under supervision. There's a surgery I forgot the name where AI does the procedure.
The surgery or everything.
Yeah, but you won't tell me there's no surgeon around. There must be a surgeon.
Definitely.
The programmer too around there. Many people around there.
What about autonomous cars? Can you trust an autonomous car being in a car and it will carry you anywhere?
I cannot fully trust it, but it's not like I can't use it. If I have the opportunity to, yeah, I will. But I don't think it's completely trusted. It's
Reliable, especially in a country like Nigeria.
It's not. It's completely not reliable. For instance, the Tesla. Yeah, we've seen some few complaints online about what Tesla do. Sometimes Tesla is you put it in safe drive and somehow it thinks you are there and leave it for you, and maybe you are not in the mood to drive, or you're not even aware that it is now the driving is now not on what it should be.
Sure.
So no part of AI is completely 100% trusted. We can trust it for sure at some stage,
level,
but still supervised. For instance, now I can get into an AI car, but there's a kind of traffic I'll be in, and trust me, I want to come down. Yeah, I won't risk it. Okay, right? So it doesn't mean I won't get into it. So yeah.
Yeah, we can trust AI to some reasonable extent, but not completely. It needs supervision. Then, if I understand you very well. So among the debates that is going in AI around AI is about security. People believe that AI to some reasonable extent, because of the way it transmits data and the way it gets data, it erodes people's privacy.
Yeah, to be honest, it's kind of alarming, yeah. Because let's take Perplexity for an example. When you search and Perplexity just scouts the internet and gets data from it, from the internet, there's a possibility here that you can jump into pages where it shouldn't be. So I don't think it's the AI's job for that.
Sure.
Because me personally, yeah, the AI is doing its thing. Its job is to go to the internet and get data. So your job is to ensure it doesn't get into it. So it erodes people's privacy for sure, because I know when people are saying Facebook, we are selling pictures to train Meta, and I think that is what they did. Meta AI might be built on people's picture.
Yes.
And there's a possibility on that, but I don't think we have anything much to say about that. I think that is more. It's more a different topic, I think.
Yeah. So with that, we come to the end of today's program on Take Watch. Join us on our social media platform. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bells to get alerted when we drop a new video. I am Ibrahim Umaru Asey. Thanks for joining us. See you next time.